This is your girl Angel Eyes representing Daddy Reds for all business enquiries. Link management at 347-651-1048. Email daddyreds@gmail.com. You know the thing go.
Big up everyone. There's something smaller. You don't know who line in here. I want to come and first say, I big up. I'm a friends and they are saying we say you don't know what I'm saying. I want to see all who believe in themselves. All who select over death and peace over war. I love me say, hey, oh yeah. Hearts and love no need no war. We need more love in our hearts. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I pick you up whenever you fall. Oh, Panjania, we are work and praise that them grow so fast. Determination say you have to work hard. Mother's yeah behind our caliber. You yourself you reach far. Persevere one day superstar. Give thanks to God no matter how we look small. Forgive each other is the better path. Hearts of love we know want people. Hearts of love no need no more. We need more love in our hearts. I pick you up whenever you fall. Oh, punch and feel we are because. In my heart I feel the pain. People are so coupled up like rain. No, one them are getting insane. We need to love each other again. Me I tell the youth more one and all. Only 16, you not ready to fall. Education better than pretty girl. You see me little brother, you want him nothing world. I love them need no world. We need more love in our hearts. I pick you up whenever you fall. Oh, punch at me, we are people. Hearts I love them need no word. Hey, everyone, this is Angel Eyes. Passing through, big up everybody.
Yes, that was Angel Eyes. All right. Next acapella. Next person doing
Big up.
Bad.
And the rest of Clark, please don't go. We need to take the picture.
Big up, Rasta. Straight up. Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up. Yeah. Respect.
One of the light workers. Let's go.